Hey friends, thanks for watching another round of 3D printed penny boats to test buoyancy coming at ya. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Go ahead, sir. Look at that thing.
It floats surprisingly. It's gonna sink right here.
1, 2,
Make sure you balance out the weight. Yeah, I
3, 4. We had to print this one upside down.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
Wow.
12.
Not even a dent. Yeah, no. Of course it's not a dent.
13.
Oh,
it held 12. It held 12.
If this holds more than mine, it's
that 3,
hold more than first.
4,
Oh, it's coming through the
5,
bottom like I said it was.
6.
Just jump.
Oh.
Oh,
All right, here we go. 1,
I'll hold one.
2, 3,
It's got a hole in the middle. There's a hole in it somehow.
4,
Yeah, you're right. Floating.
5. It held 4 successfully.
If you could get one of. Oh. You decided to put it in a fridge. Oh. Yep. Well, no. Oh. You may do better. Oh.
5. Still only holds 5.
Let's get it.
Here we go.
You got this.
1,
Gas is no name.
2,
Yeah, peanut butter.
3,
Come on, peanut butter.
4,
Come on, calculator.
5, 6, 7,
You got this, baby.
8,
Calculator.
9, 10.
It's coming in.
Yo, it helped.